I'm so red today because it's Valentine's Day. And Chris and I will be celebrating this Valentine's here at home. Every day for us is Valentine's Day because we shared our moments, our pain, our laughter, our fun. That's what makes it Valentine's Day for us every day. So what I'm going to do for this apron at the Papa is I'm doing the table setting and I'll be cooking cream of mushroom soup. I think I will add a sweet potato on that. Let's see. And Chris will cook the wagyu beef. So it's a teamwork for today, and that makes it so special because both of us will be cooking for our Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's